This is some video I shot at the Keighley Worth Valley Railway. I was involved with the restoration of 78022 during the 80s and 90s. The video quality is not very good, I'm afraid, but it might be of interest to people. This there you see City of Wells stripped down. And the box pot wheels clearly shown. It was this period when the public was allowed to walk about freely anywhere in the shed and in the yard. Health and safety wasn't enforced then like it is today. It's a wonder nobody got run over. Here we see Big Jim. Big Jim at home at Keighley Worth Valley Railway, as it starred in the film some years ago, which was called Yanks, which was extensively filmed around Keighley Worth Valley Railway. A film worth watching if you've never seen it. Here we see the K.W.V.R awaiting restoration after being withdrawn. We were due to go out one morning when we noticed the tube plate was leaking a number of tubes, so that put paid to that. It has now been restored and is running on the Keighley Worth Valley Railway today. Here we see 1054, the London North Western Railway coal tank, having some maintenance done on it. As I mentioned earlier, the general public were allowed to walk anywhere where they wanted. In the shed yard, in the shed, over the pits. Very dangerous when you think about it now. Of course it wouldn't happen today. This engine, called Tiny, worked at Crossley's scrapyard at Shipley, not many miles away from Keighley. Could be seen regularly working there through the day. It worked there for a number of years. Here we see class N15 Salam Hill, which was used at the Enthusiast weekend. 226 has switched off at last.
Really driving, aren't you? Yeah. That's about 25 past 1, isn't it? You're not going to watch? Very probably need
47279 Ginty. Seven 775 double heading with Salamil on the way to Epsom Hope. Five double 75 was in the colours of the fictitious Great Northern Southern Railway, which featured in the Railway Children. Bellerophan arriving at the yard. Coming into view here is the 1931 built steam crane by Craven. Here you can see the modified Gulf type Stevenson's link motion, which is really unusual for a locomotive. we see the Craven steam crane in action, removing the boiler, which I think is from Sir Berkeley, from a truck.
'There's a lot of beef ready today.
You got as many as yesterday? As many as yesterday?
The cleaners at work on Bellerophan. The driver, which I'm ashamed to say I've forgotten his name, it's so long ago. The chap in the red top is Graham Bentley.
Oh.
75078 arriving from Oxenhoe. We are in the shed, and here is 78022 under restoration, of which I was involved with for quite a few years, and followed it through until its first steaming. Heck of a lot of work involved. Unbelievable.
Yeah, don't get some black grease blathered right in your face.
Caught him there.
Pass this under his bar and then it'll hold it up.
Oh.
So I've got to just drop it down.
A jigsaw of pipework. Here we see Graham Bentley still hard at it, cleaning Bellerophan.
I don't want to start with it.
Yeah.
So one weekend when we're out, I'll fix it up. Come out with it.
Yeah.
For a couple of trips and video it, will you?
Just give us a nod, eh?
Yeah, I'll pay you for doing it.
Oh, it's fair, right?
Yeah, no problem. I'd like that, would they? I'll mention it to him after this. And drive it standard today.
Well, I'll just
I'll mention it, I'll fix some of it.
yeah. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah. Ah, it'd be alright a round trip, that, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Or it'd make it like a little...
It'd look real.
Yeah, would not standard, because there's more room like foot plates.
Yeah. They're nice to keep though.
Oh, well, I like that like that. Yeah. Kind of be alright, that. Sounds right.
Salami Hill blasting out of Howorth Station. Concludes my video. I hope it was of interest to you all. I'm afraid the video quality is not all that good, as in the 90s there was no such thing as digital unless you were wealthy, hence the quality of the video. Anyway, thanks for watching.